Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous chapters, we were finding the value of q through table and graph, and here we will find the value of q through derivatives. So let's say we have total revenue, we have total profit, this is the symbol for profit, we have total utility, and we have total cost. In the total, we cannot find the value of q. So first we will change it through marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. We have marginal, it will be also changed to marginal. Total utility will be also changed to marginal utility, and total cost will be also changed to marginal cost. How can we change the value of total revenue to marginal revenue? We will take the derivatives, and this is called first order derivative. First order derivatives. When we take the total revenue first order derivative, I mean for the first time we take the derivatives of this value, this function, it will be changed to marginal revenue. In the marginal revenue, we are able to find the value of q. Here we can find the value of q through marginal revenue, marginal profit. Here we have profit, marginal utility, and marginal cost. Then we will take derivatives to find which one is the optimal price, which is the optimal value, what will be the value of q through which we can gain a lot of revenue, a lot of profit, a lot of utility, and less cost. So when we take the second order derivatives, it means that for the first time we take the derivatives of total revenue, we take the derivatives and it will be changed to marginal revenue, and again we will take the derivatives of the marginal revenue, it is called second order derivatives. And if we have the value of negative, so it means more revenue, more profit, more revenue. And if we have the value of this thing is positive, it means less profit. We will take, we will increase the revenue, we will increase the profit, we will increase the utility, but we will decrease the cost. We will try to have negative value here, we will try to have negative value here, we will try to have negative value here, because negative mean more profit and positive mean less. So here we will write positive, we will find the positive value. If this is positive, it means this less cost, less costly. So now we'll have, let's say we are going to find the total revenue, then we will find the marginal cost. From the marginal cost we will find the value of q, and from then we will take the second order derivatives, and then we will find the value, it will which in which point the the revenue will be optimal. So let's say we have some question like we have some equation, total revenue is equal to 100q minus 10q square. here we have some function. So now we cannot find the value of q here because this is total revenue. So first we will take the first order derivatives. We will find the derivatives of this function. Then we can find the value of q. So we will take the first order derivatives. So it will become 100 because it will be remove minus. It will become 20q. I'm applying the rule of the derivatives. So now in the first step, what did we do? We did the first order derivatives. We took the first order derivatives. Now we will equate to 0. Second step is equate to 0. I will equate this equation to 0. I mean 100 minus 20q is equal to 0. So now we will first we should try to transfer the negative value to the another side of the equal. So we will transfer it here. So 100 is remain in the same place, and this will be shift to the another side, so it will become positive 20q. Now we'll dividing 20 on both sides because we need only q. 20 and 20, it will be cancelled with each other, only q is remaining. And in this side it will be also cancel, only 5 is remaining because 100 divided by 20 it is equal to 5. So the value of q is 5. Now we will be taking the second order derivatives and we will find whether the in the 5 is it optimal or not. So now we will find the this is this is the marginal revenue also, because we will take the first order derivative of the total revenue, it will be changed to marginal revenue. So here this step is marginal revenue. So marginal revenue is equal to 100 minus 20q. So we will take the second order derivatives. I am writing d2 here because from this d2 I consider this it is second order derivatives. Okay, so this is the constant, we do not write constant here, and we have minus 20q. We have 20, minus 20q. So it means that minus 20 again, not q 20 q, only 20 is here because minus 20 q will be removed, so it is minus 20. And we say that when it is minus, so it will be give more profit. So the value of second derivative is minus 20, so it is good. So this is the end of the question. So we can say that minus 20 it maximize our revenue when the value of q is how much? 5. When we have the value of q is 5, so it give negative result, and negative result it mean it will maximize our revenue. So we will following these steps for profit. Also we can also use these steps for total utility. We can also use these steps for total cost. But one thing, only in total cost, the result should be positive. The result should be positive. And the rest we will have, the result should be negative. Remember these points. So we will use these method through all these things.